In an age where internet access is as essential as electricity, Starlink E, the satellite internet constellation developed by SpaceX, stands out as a groundbreaking innovation. Unlike traditional broadband services that rely on ground-based infrastructure, Starlink leverages thousands of low Earth orbit (LEO) satellites to provide fast, reliable, and low-latency internet to users across the globe, even in the most remote locations. This unique approach positions Starlink not just as another internet service provider, but as a transformative force in global connectivity. One of Starlink's most defining features is its use of low Earth orbit satellites, which operate at altitudes between 550 and 600 kilometers above Earth, much closer than traditional geostationary satellites that orbit at around 35,186 kilometers. This proximity significantly reduces latency, making satellite internet more competitive with fiber optic connections. Latency. Traditional satellite internet can suffer from latency issues upwards of 600 milliseconds. In contrast, Starlink consistently delivers latencies between 20–40 milliseconds, comparable to many terrestrial broadband services. Speed. Starlink offers download speeds ranging from 50 Mbps to over 500 Mbps, depending on location and network congestion, with aspirations to push this higher. This performance leap makes Starlink suitable for bandwidth-intensive tasks like video conferencing, streaming, online gaming, and cloud computing, applications previously impractical via satellite. What truly sets Starlink apart is its scale and ambition. As of 2025, SpaceX has launched over 6,000 Starlink satellites, with plans to eventually deploy up to 42,000 satellites across multiple orbital shells. This massive constellation ensures continuous global coverage and redundancy, meaning users experience fewer outages and consistent performance. Each satellite is equipped with advanced technologies such as phased array antennas for precise beamforming and targeting, laser interlinks that allow satellites to communicate directly with each other, reducing reliance on ground stations, autonomous collision avoidance systems using onboard propulsion and real-time tracking data. Traditional internet infrastructure often struggles to reach rural, mountainous, or island regions due to high costs and logistical challenges. Starlink changes this equation by offering ubiquitous coverage without the need for extensive terrestrial infrastructure. From remote Alaskan villages to Pacific Island nations, Starlink brings high-speed internet to places where it was once unthinkable. This capability is especially vital for emergency response teams needing instant communication during natural disasters, schools and hospitals in underserved areas, agricultural operations relying on smart farming technologies. Starlink also provides internet to mobile users, including those on ships, aircraft, and RVs, further expanding its utility beyond static residential use. Unlike conventional networks that require years of planning and construction, Starlink can scale quickly. SpaceX launches batches of satellites regularly using its Falcon 9 rocket, with reusability dramatically cutting deployment costs. Each launch carries up to 60 satellites, and hundreds of launches have already taken place. This rapid scalability allows Starlink to respond swiftly to demand surges, geopolitical disruptions, or humanitarian crises, offering a level of flexibility unmatched by terrestrial ISPs. Starlink isn't just about internet delivery, it's being integrated into broader technological ecosystems. Autonomous vehicles and drones benefit from reliable connectivity in areas lacking cellular coverage. IoT networks in agriculture, logistics, and environmental monitoring gain a robust backbone. Military and government agencies leverage Starlink for secure, resilient communications. Elon Musk has even hinted at future integration with Mars missions, envisioning Starlink as part of an interplanetary communication network. While Starlink's uniqueness lies in its capabilities, it has also sparked important discussions about space sustainability and astronomy impacts. The large number of satellites raises concerns about space debris. SpaceX has implemented design features to ensure satellites deorbit safely at end of life. Light pollution. Adjustments like visors and darkening coatings aim to reduce satellite brightness in the night sky. These challenges underscore the pioneering nature of Starlink. It's pushing boundaries while navigating complex ethical and scientific responsibilities. Starlink's user terminals, known as Dishy McFlatface, are designed for ease of use. These compact motorized dishes automatically align with passing satellites, requiring minimal setup. Future iterations promise even smaller, cheaper, and more efficient hardware tailored for specific applications like aviation or maritime use. Subscribers can easily install their own kits, eliminating the need for professional installation, which contrasts sharply with traditional telecom models. Starlink's uniqueness stems from its ability to merge aerospace engineering, software-defined networking, and mass production to deliver high-performance internet anywhere on Earth. It represents a shift from terrestrial dependency to space-based resilience, democratizing access and empowering communities long left in digital darkness. As Starlink continues to evolve, with advancements in laser links, phased arrays, and regulatory cooperation, it promises to not only redefine what we expect from internet service, but also lay the groundwork for humanity's next giant leap, a connected world and beyond.